welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn with Moji. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, and if you are a returning subscribers, you are part of the family. You are so dear to me. Thank God for 2024/2025 academic year. So today we are not going to do our go as usual. We are going to be doing quantitative reasoning. Now let's go straight to our quantitative reasoning class. I love quantitative reasoning so much. Why? Because it helps us to think. There is no one way to it. Math, 2 + 2 in math is 4, but when it comes to quantitative, there might be imaginary 1, there could be imaginary 2, there could be imaginary 3, and there is this joy that always comes anytime we get our final answer. So let's go straight to our quantitative reasoning. I'll be using book 5. So if you are in primary 3 in last academic year, you will be using this in case your class is class ahead. So let's go straight to our class. So this is the textbook, and in case you want me to do any of apart from class 5, please you can put it in the comment section. I will take the example one after the other. I will solve it, then I will leave you to go and do the classwork. I don't want it to look like I'm feeding you here. Let me just tell you how to go about it. Then we'll do it all together. So now for our first question, we have this diagram. So we have this. Example 1. QR book 5. So we have this. 200 here. We have this, and we have 300. Then we have 600 in the box. So this is example 1 that was given to us. So let's look at how we are to calculate it and get our answer. So let's solve our number 1. So how did they do this? So this will be 200 multiplied by 300. Whatever you have here, you multiply it to get this. And if in case this box is given, this is given, and this is not given, we are going to divide this to get this. In case this and this are the numbers given, we are going to divide this to get this. So let's do our first method. It means we are having like 3 methods to get our answers in each question. If 2 has been given, we know how to get our third no, to get our third. So let's go. So the first one here is 300. Let me shift my hand. 300 multiplied by 200. So anything multiplied by 0 gives you 0. Is 006. Then you add it together. Is 00006. So with that, we are able to get the 60,000. So the 60,000 they got now is no more a magic. So let's assume we are given 60,300. How are we to get that third number? So it's going to be, so that will be 60,000, 1, 2, 3, divided by 300. You use this to cut this. So 3 here 1, 3 in 6, that is 2. 3 in 0 is 0, 3 here. Can you see how we got our 200? Are you getting that? So let's see if the 60,000 is given, the 200 is given, and 300 is not given. Let's see how to get that. So that will still be 60,000 divided by 300. No, divided by 200. The 300 wasn't given. So you cut this. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 6, that is 3. 2 in 0, 2 in 0. So we got our 300. Here we got our 200. So do you get that? Let's go to the second example. Sometimes you may have to divide. Sometimes you may have to multiply. So let's take our second example. Example 2. We are given 420. 273,000 and 650. That is what we have in our textbook. So to get our 273,000, with what I've explained, we are multiplying 420 multiplied by 650. So let's do that first. It can be 650 multiplied by 420. It can be 420 multiplied by 650. So multiply by 420. So anything multiplied by 0 gives you 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. You are holding 1. 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12 plus your 1, making 13. Then 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. You are writing 0 to hold 2. 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24. 24 plus the 2, 24, that gives us 26. Then you add it together, is 0, 0, is 0, 3, 7, 2. Can you see we've gotten our 273,000 that they got there? So now let's take it to the division part. So now we have been able to get this. So what if this is not given and we are only giving these two numbers? That would be 273,000 divided by 420. This cuts this. We are left with 27333 over 42. What should we use? Let's use 2. 2 in 4, that is 2. 2 in 1, that is 1. 2 in 4, that is 2. 2 in 2, that is 1. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 7, that is 3, remainder 1. 2 in 13, that is 6, remainder 1. 2 in 10, that is 5. And 2 in 0, we have a 0 left. So what should we use again? Let's try and use 3. 3 here, we have 7. 3 in 13, that is 4. Remainder 1. 3 in 16, that is 5. Remainder 1. 3 in 15 again, that is 5. Remainder nothing. Then 3 in 0 is 0 divided by 7. We are almost there. So let's try this. 7 in 7, that is 1. 7 in 45, 7 times 5, 35, 7 times 6, 40, 7 times 7. 7 in 7, 1. 7 in 45, that is 6. 6 and 7 times 4, 7 times 6, that is 42. We are holding 3. 7 in 35, that is 5. And 7 in 0, it is 0. So now we got our 650. So in case we are only giving this and this, we know how to do that. So the last part of that question, before we go to the classwork, we are giving what? In case we are not giving, we are only giving 673 and 650. So the C part will be 273 divided by 650. The first thing, let this 0 go. So let's release the 0. We are having, so now let's use 5. 5 in 6, that is 1. 5 in 15, that is 3. I hope we are together. 5 in 2, it can go. 5 in 27, that is 5. 5 times 5, 25. So we are left with 2. 5 in 23, that is 4. We are left with 3. 5 in 30, that is 6. 5 in 0, it is a 0. So now it should be 5460 divided by 13. And 5460 divided by 13 will give you what? 420. Do we get that? So now we are going to our class work. But please don't forget, in case these two sides are given, it is multiplication. In case the middle and any other part, be it up or be it down number, that will be division. So let's go straight to our class work. So number 1, we are given this. We have 350. That box wasn't given and we have 300. So what are we expected to get to do here? It will be multiplication. So that will be 350 multiplied by 300. And please don't forget one of our mathematics rules. Don't use calculator. So we are not going to use calculator. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. We are holding 1. That is 9, making 10. Then you add it together, is 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1. So our number that wasn't given there is this. So now to our number 2, we are given this 5, 5, 5. And this time around, we are given the number in box, which is 97,125. And this not given. So what are we going to do now? It's going to be division. So that would be 97,125 divided by 555. Sometimes to determine the number to divide with, consider the last figure of the given number. So what we are going to do, 5 in 5, 1, 5 in 5, 1, 5 in 5, 1. So let's come here, 5 in 9, that is 1. Remember what? 4. 5 in 47, that would be 9. 5 times 9, that is 45. We are having 2 left. 5 in 21, that is 4. We are having 1 left. 5 in 12, that is 2. We are having 2 left. And 5 in 25, that is 5. Divided by 1, 1, 1. When you have a figure like this and it's looking too big, you can do it with your long division. You can use your long division. 1, 1, 1, 1, 9, 4, 2, 5. Can 111 goes in 1? No. In 19? No. In 194, that is 1. So that gives you 1, 1, 1. Then you do your subtraction. This is 3. This is 8 here. Bring down the 2. How many times will this go? It will be 7. 7 times. And when you add it, that is 7, 7, 7. Borrow 1 for you, making 12. That is 5. You have 12 here. That is 5. Then bring down this 5. So how many times will 111 goes in 555? That is 5. So we got our answer. Can you see that without calculation, you can actually get your answer? So your unknown number there is 175. So if the next number is division, I will allow you to do that and send the answer to me in the comment section. I'm excited. It is a new term. It is a new thing. It is new everything. So in the next question, we have question number 3. I'm not going to do it. We have this not given. Here we are given 39,483. And we are giving this to be 321. So what are you going to do here? That will be 39,483 divided by 321. With the look of things, you can use 3 to cut it. You will get your answer. Yes, you can use 3. I promise not to do it. I'm almost tempted doing it, but I won't do it. So let's use 3 to cut it. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 27, you get your answer. So now to number 4. We are not giving these balls the same. We are giving this to be 370,000. And we are also giving this place to be 1,200. So that would be 370. So just cut 1, 2, 1, 2. You are left with 3700 divided by 12. So with that, we'll be able to get your final answer. So now to number 5 question. We are giving 1, 1. So this time we are giving this part. We are not giving this part. And we are giving this place to be 6, 12. So what are you doing? That would be 1, 1, 2 multiplied by 6, 1, 2. And you get your final answer. Now to number 6 questions. The number 6 question, we are given this place as 960. This place not given. And this place at 700. So what are we doing? That will be 960 multiplied by 700. then you get your final answer. So now to number 7 question. And in case there is any question you will want us to talk about, feel free to put it in the comment section. Here we have 630, this place not given, and we are given this place to be 210. So what will you do? That will be 630 multiplied by 210, and you get your answer. So number 8 question, we are given 15. We are given 15. We are given 975,000, and this place not given. So what do you do now? 975,000 divided by 15. Just remove this 0 to make it easier. So we have 9750 divided by 15. So I've simplified that. Number 9, before we go to the next text, number 9 question, we are given 456. This place given to be 298,224, and this place not given. So our same method, 298,224 divided by 456. With this, you can start cutting with 2. It will go. Number 10, we are given this place not given. We are given this place as 260,000, and this place as 13. It is division, so we are using 2. So that will be 260,000, 13. This cuts this, this cuts this. So we are left with 2 divided by 13. 13 in 13, 1. 13 in 26, that is 2. So our answer there is 200. So the same method I've done that, use it to do other. So that is for text 1 of our Primary 5 book. So now we are going to text 2, and this is Roman numeral. So let's take the example. In the example, this is exercise 2. In the example, we are given something like this. I hope you can all see it. 5. So what do we have here? This is 5. I hope you all know that. And this is what? 10. So with the look of things, what did they do? Add this plus this to give you this. As simple as that. All they just want to test now is your power of Roman numeral. Add this plus this to give you this. That is example 1 in the exercise 2. Example 2 now, we are giving this. I hope you can all see it. Ix and V11. So V11, this symbolizes your 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, that is 7. And this is 1 away from 10. X is 10, that is 9. So when you add 9 with 7, that gives us what? 16. Let's see. 10, 15, 16. As simple as that. So now to our C, we are given this x111, 1x, and we are giving 1v. 1 away from 5, that gives you 4. 1 away from 9, that gives you 9. Then x is 10, 111, that gives you 13. So add this and this together to get the upper number, as simple as that. So let's go straight to the classwork. Number 1, we are given this x. We are given x11. X is what? That's 30, 10, 20, 22. So how are we going to get this? This is the final answer. We are given this. So that would be 30 minus, okay, let's do it like this. X minus x 1 and that gives us what? This is 30, this is 22, so the answer there is 8. And how do we write our 8? 8 will be what? V is 5, we are going to 8, 6, 7, 8, so that gives us 8. So our answer here is V111, which is what? 8. Please, do we all get that? So now to our number 2. It is 1 to 10. After number 4, I will have to stop and go to the next exercise. So here we are giving L, here we are giving X, and we are told to look for this. L is what? 50. L is 50. X is what? That is 10. So that will be L minus X, which is equal to what? 40. Then how do we write our 40? L is 50. Take 10 away from it. That gives us that. Now to our number 3 question. We are given this XL, this not given, and we are given this. XL is what? That is 40. IV means 4, because 5 minus, so that is 4. So how do we get this? That will be 40 minus 4, which gives us what? 36. So how do we write our 36? Write it and put it there. 36. X gives you 30. 5 gives you 35. And 1 gives you. So put it there and let me know that we are together. So now to number 4. After number 4, I'm not going to do it. We are jumping straight to the next text. So here we have V. Here we have 1V. V here is 5. 1V is 4. So how do we get this? That will be V minus 1V, which is the same thing as 1. So your answer there is 1. Now to number 5. Let's share it. It is 10. Let me do 5. I leave 5 for you. So here we are giving XV. We are giving XV. And we are told to look for this. XXV is 25. And this one here is what? 10, 5. That is 15. So that would be 25 minus 15, which gives us 10. How do we write 10? That is X. I hope you get that. So now to number 6 to 10 that you will do. Let me write out the question in case mommy has not gotten you your new textbook. So number 6, we are giving this LXX. We are giving XX. Then what do? That will be LXX minus XX. Then you get your answer. Number 7, we have LV. VI. LV is what? 50. That's 55. Then we have our VI 56. That is 6. And you are told to look for. So this one here is what? That's 70 minus 20. So get the answer and put it there. Number 8, we are giving this XL11. Yes. We are giving XIV. XL is 40. L is 50. That is 42. We are told to look for this. Then this will be what? That is 14. 10, 14. So you do it and. So now to number 9 question. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2. So this is 3. This is 2. You do it and you get your answer. So number 10, the last question for this exercise. We have LXX. We have XLV. L is 50. That is 70. And this one is what? 10. L is 50. That is 40. That is 45. You minus it and get your answer. So now we are going to exercise 3. I hope we are together. So let's start our exercise 3 here. And let me clean this part so that I can get dry before getting it. So let's continue the exercise 3 now. As usual, I will explain the example. It is 1 to 10. I will do 1 to 5 and leave the 6 to 10 for you. I trust your ability. I know you are not going to use your calculator. So now let me explain it. We are given this. We have 6 here, 5 here, 10 here, and 3 here. Very simple. This is what you are expected to do. Add this together. Whatever answer you get here must be the same answer you are getting here. 6 times 5 gives us what? 30. 3 times 10 gives us what? 30. So let's go. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So that is how they got that. But auntie, what if this 3 is not given? What if this 3 is not given and we are only giving the 10, the 6 and the 5? What am I going to do? 6 times 5 is 30. Divide it with this 10, you get your 3. So that's how they got the 3. Auntie, what if the 3 is given, the 10 is not given, and the 6 and 5 is given? 6 times 5 is 30. Divide your 30 divided by 3, it gives you 10. What if this 6 is not given, auntie, but this and this and this are given? 3 times 10, that is 30. Divide it by 5, you get your 6. What if the 6 is given and the 5 is not given? 3 times 10, that is 30. Divide it by this 6, you get your 5. So with that, let's go to example 2. I hope we are together. So we have this. We have 7 given. We have 2, 4, and 14. The way I've explained it, 2 times 14 is what? 2 times 14, that is 28. 7 times 4, that is 28. Whatever thing you have down must be what you will have here. Example 3, we have 3. We are given 11, 33, and 9. 11 times 9 gives you what? 99. 3 times 33 gives you what? 99. As simple as ABC. So now to the classwork. I will do number 1 to 5. You do 6 to 10, and let's see in the comment section. So we are given 6 here. We are given 14 here. And we are given 3 here. This not given. But don't forget, while I was explaining it, any 2 will be given. Either the down 2 are given or the up and the center 1 given. So 14 times 3 is what? 14 times 3, 3 times 4, that is 12 within 1, that is 42. So now it will be what? 42 divided by 6, which gives you what? 7. So your known answer here is 7. 7 times 6 gives you 42. Are we together? So now to number 2 question. We are given 20 here. We are given 5 here. This not given, and we have 1 here. I said it. Is either these 2 given or these 2 given. So now we have 20 times 1, which is equal to what? 20. So that will be 20 divided by the 5 given, which is equal to 4. So if your answer here is 4, 5 times 4 gives you what? 20. As simple as bread and tea. So now let's go to number 3. For number 3, we are given 3. We are this not given. We have this, and we have 21. So what are you going to do? That would be 21 times 3. 3 times 1, that is 3. 3 times 5, 3 times 2, that is 6. Is that our final answer? No. That would be 63 divided by the 7 given, which is equal to 9. To number 4, I'm stopping on number 5. So we have this. This is half. 8. We are not giving the one in the box. But how do we get it? That will be 1 over 8, 1 over 2 times 8, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. It is 4. 4 divided by these 2 gives us 2. So our answer there is 2. So to number 5, we are not giving this. We are giving 4, 4 and 2. So that will be 4 times 4, which is equal to what? 16. So that will be 16 divided by these 2 given, which is equal to 8. So our answer here is 8. And to cross check, 8 multiplied by 2 gives you 16. 4 multiplied by 4 gives you 16. So that is number 5 question. And so for the ones we are doing to send to me, number 6, let me just draw it. We are given 10. We have 4. This not given. And we have 2 here. So you know what to do. 10 times 2. 10 times 2, which is equal to 20. 20 divided by 4. You get your answer. And to cross check it, you will get it. Number 7. We are given 3. 1 over 3, 27. We are not given this. So that would be 1 over 3 times 27, just the way we have done it here. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 27, you should know that. Then you get your answer. Number 8 question. We are given 16. We are not given here. And we have 12 here with 6. So that would be 16 times 6. 6 times 6, 36. You are writing 6, holding 3. 6 plus the 3, that is 9. So that would be 96 divided by 12. You get your answer. So now to number 9 question. So for our number 9, we are not giving this. We are giving 13, 5, and 13. So that would be 13 times 5. 5 times 3, that is 15. We have 1 left. That would be 65. And that would be 65 divided by 13. You get your answer. Number 10, the last question for this exercise. We have 2. We have half. We have 4. And we are not giving this. That would be 1 over 2 times 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. That is 2. So 2 divided by 2, you get your answer. That was 2 divided by 2. So, you get your answer. So that brings us to the end of that exercise 3. So now we are going to exercise 4. In exercise 4, look at the example. Exercise 4, we are given this. Don't mind my free hand drawing. We have 8, we have 3, we have 18, and we have 7. So what are we expected to do here? You add all the number together to give you this. So you add, let's assume this is A, B, and C. You are adding A plus B plus C to get your D. That will be A plus B, A plus B plus A plus B plus C, and that gives you D. Our A is what? 8 plus 3 plus 7, and you get D. So 8 plus 7, that is 15. 15 plus 3, that is 18. So do you get what I've done? Let's go to the second one. We are having, so here we have 25, we have 6, we have 10, and we have 41. A, B, C to get D. So that would be 25 plus 6 plus 10. 25 plus 6, that is 31. 31 plus 10, that is equal to 41. The last one here, we have this. We have 64. We have 8. We have 17. And we have 89. A, B, C. That would be 64 plus 8 plus 17, and that gives you 89. So the question that you might be thinking is, what if any of this number is not given? Let's assume 64 given, this given, but the 8 is not given. What do you have to do? Add this together, take it away from this. Do you understand what I've just explained? In case the 8, okay, let's use a small figure. The 18 given, the 8 given, the 7 given, but the 3 not given. So what are you going to do? That will be 8 plus 7, which is equal to 15. 18, then take away 15 from 18. That gives you your 3. Very simple. No division. All you have to do is either you add or you subtract. So now let's go to the classwork. That is the example given that we have just done. So for the classwork, we only have 5 questions. So I'm going to do 2 and leave you with 3 to do. So we are given this 17, 6, 32, and this not given. So what are you going to do with what I've explained? That would be 17 plus 6. 17 plus 6 is 23. So that's 23. Are we putting the 23 here? No. That will now be 32 minus 23. 32 minus 23. You borrow 1 here, you get 9. So your answer there is 9. Have you seen what you have just done? So let's do number 2. I'm only doing 2 for you. So for the second one, we are given what? 51. This not given. We are given 56 and 3. So what will you do? 51 plus 3, which is equal to 54. 56 minus 54, that is equal to 2. So in case you are putting 2 here to cross check, 51 plus 2, that is 53. 53 plus 3, that is 56. So now to the last, so now to number 3 that you are doing for me. Let me write the question. We have this. This not given, we have 1, we have 17, and we have 19. All you have to do is 1 plus 17, which is equal to 18. 19 minus 18, then you get your answer. Number 4, we are given this. We are given 3, 3, 3. So what and this place not given. What are you going to do? That will be 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 9. I'm not supposed to give you the final answer. So now to number 5, the last question then. We are given 6, we are given 4, this not given, and we have 35. That will be 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. 35 minus 10, and you get your answer. So that's about that. We have a series of numbers here to copy and complete. So let's go. So we have this. Number 6. Okay, let me leave you to do this. Number 6. We have 2, 3, 5, 8, 5, 8, 12, 17. And the question is, what is next? And if you look at the series, 2 and 3, that is 1. 3 and 5, that is 2. 5 and 8, that is 3. 8 and 12, that is 4. 12 and 17, that is 5. So definitely it's going to be 17 plus 6 because it's progressing. 17 plus 6, that is 13. And we are having 1. So that gives you 23. So you are just adding. So our answer there is 23. Just study the progress and you will be able to figure out the next number. Now we are having 195. We are having 190, 185, 180, 175, 170. You should be able to do that. Number 8, we have 91, 97, 103, 109, 115, 121. Just look at the series, and here we have 197, number 9, 197, 196, 194, 191, 187, 182, and you look for the next number. Now to number 10, we have 3, 9, 15, 21, counting in 3, 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, 33. Study the pattern and you will be able to get the next number. So now we have another for our number 11 here. We have L, M, N, P, G, R, S, U, and we are giving, so let me write it. L, M, N, P, G, R, S, U. And we have 7, 6, 8, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. So we are given that. So the question now is number 11. We are told to write P, N, M in what? In figure. So look for where P is 5, N is 8, and M is 6. So that's our answer there. Number 12, we are to write 2, 2, 1 in letters. So 2 is what? R. 2 is what? R. Then 1 is S. That is our answer there. Number 13, L, U, U minus M, U, U. What will you do? Go to where L is. L is 7. U is what? Minus M is 6. U is what? And we are to leave our answer in figure. So that is 100. Number 14, SUS to multiply by R and leave your answer in figure. S is what? S is 1. U is what? S again. You have to multiply it by what? R there is what? 2. So that gives you what? 202. Number 15, the last question there. So I'm going to leave this for you to do. P minus G over M plus U. So your P is what? P is 5. G is what? 4. M is what? 6. And N is what? 8. So you do this and you get your answer. No. U is what? U is 0. This is 0, which gives you 6. So that is the final answer there. So now we are going to number 16, still in the same exercise. We are given another figure to study it and tell us how the answers are being figured out. So here we have 22, exercise C. Here we have 22. We have this arrow. We have different shapes there. We have 4 here. We have 7 here. We have 2 here. And we are given 22 here. So let's take the 3 examples before. Here we have 25. We have 4. And we are given 7. And the third one, we have what here? This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. We have this. We have a 0. we have 6, and we have 36. So now let's go into calculating it. Let's see how they got their different number. So that would be, so we have this in our example. So let's use 22 divided by 2, which gives you what? 11. 7 plus, or 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So we are using this to divide this to get the addition of this. So what are you going to do here? You can see the shapes are actually different, so the same method is not going to work. The same method is not going to work. So this will be 3 times 7 is what? 21. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. That same 21 plus 4, this 4, it gives you 25. Do you get that? So for this, the method we used here, that will be 36 divided by 6, which is equal to 6. So 0 plus 6 gives you 6. Do you get that? So now let's go to the classwork. We only have 5 questions there. Let me do 2, and I will leave you to do the remaining 3. You can go over what we have just done there. If it is like this, use the hop to divide this. Whatever answer you get must be the addition of this. And if you have this, multiply this and this, add it with this, it will give you this. And for this, divide this together, the answer you get must give you the same thing you are getting here. So now to our classwork. So now to classwork, we have this 36, this not given. We have this to be 4 and this to be 8. So we are looking for this, and which type of the shape they use this. So that will be 8 times 4, which is equal to 32. So that will be 36 minus 32, which gives you 4. So our unknown answer here is 4. Our unknown answer there is 4. So the second one, so this is number 1. Number 2 now, we are given, which is number, this is number 16. So now to our number 17, this is 16. So now to number 17, so we have this. We are not given this. We are given 15 here. We are given 12 here. And we have 1/3 here. So the first thing we are going to do will be 15 plus 12, which is equal to what? 27. And with this style, this is it here. So now it's going to be what? 27 divided by 27 times 1/3, and whatever answer you get. So 3 here 1, 3 here 9. So our answer there is 9. So now to our number 18 question. We are having 58 here. We are having 9 here. 7 given here, and nothing. We have to find this. So use this example 2 to get that. So number 19 question. So our number 19 question, we have 99, we have 9, we are not giving this, but we are giving 9. So what will you multiply by 9? And we add 9 to it, that will give you that. So now to number 20 question, we have 100, 4 given, 10 given, and this not given. So you divide this, take away this to get this. I hope you understand what I have just done there. So now let's go to our exercise 5, which is on page 7. So we are doing page 7 and page 8 together, and we call it a day. So for our exercise 5, it is a bar chart which I know you must be very, very familiar with. And the question we are giving here is, on Monday we have 9, on Tuesday we have 1, on Wednesday we have 8, on Thursday we have 6. Okay, let me write it out to make it easy for us to do. On Monday we have, this is exercise 5, section A. On Monday we have 9, on Tuesday we have 1, on Wednesday we have 8, on Thursday we have 6, on Friday we have 3, on Saturday we have 10, on Sunday we have what? On Sunday, let's say we have 5. So the first question says, which 2 days added together had the same amount of rainfall on Saturday? This is Saturday. So which 2 days do we have to add together? And with the look of things, that would be Monday and Tuesday. Number 1 to 2, that is Monday and Tuesday. So now to number 3, there was sunshine on only one day of the week. And on which day could that be? The rainfall on Tuesday was very, very minute. So that would number 3, question number 3 is Tuesday. So now number 4 to 6, on which 3 days together did the total rainfall equal to that of Monday? On Monday we have 9. So on which 3 days? That would be Sunday, which is 5, Friday making 8, and Tuesday making 9. That would be Tuesday, on Friday, and on Sunday, and that gives us what? 9. So number 7 says, how many days had fewer than 6 hours of rainfall? How many days? That is number question 7. Fewer hours than 6, that is Tuesday. Fewer hours than 6, that is Friday and Sunday. Days that have less than 6 hours, just 3 days. So that is 3 days. Now to number 8 question. How many days had more than 8 hours? Monday had more than 8 hours. Monday, more than, not 8, but more than, and Saturday. So how many days? 2 days. They are asking for days. So now to number 9. What was the total hour of rainfall for the week? All you have to do is 9 plus 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 10 plus 5. Add all of them together, you get your answer. Now to number 10. Which day had the least rainfall? Tuesday had the least rainfall. It was sunny that day. So it was this. So this, in case you want to add this together, 9 plus 1, that gives you 10. 10 plus another 10, that gives you 20. 20 plus 5, that is 25. 25 plus 6, that's 31. 31 plus 3, that is 34. 34 plus 8, that is 42 days. So now we are going to the last question. So in our next class, we are starting from text 6. I want us to finish it fast because we still have our Ugo Singo textbook, the Ugo Singo QR to be treated. So we have taken the first 5 texts in it. So now we have a diagram here to study and get to. So we have 25. So this is exercise 5B. We have this diagram. We have 25 here. We have 20 here. We have 5 here. We have 10 here. And we have 15 in the middle. This is what we have there. So what are we expected to do here? The first we will do is 25 divided by 5, which is equal to 5, isn't it? 20 minus 10, which gives you what? 20 minus 10, which gives you 10. So add the two answers together. That will be 5 plus 10, which is equal to 15. So that is how they got the number in the middle. Any miracle performed there? No. Just take time to study it again. Then let's go to the number 2 example. We have 39 here. We have 13 here. We have 46 here. We have 18 here. And this given as what? As 31. And with what I said the other time, this is 39. This is 13. This is 18. And this is 46. With the method we use there, that would be 39 divided by 13, which gives you what? That gives you 3. Yes. Then you minus these two. 46 minus 18. 46 minus 18. Borrow 1 here. That is 8. We have 3 here. That is 28. Is 28 our final answer? No. That would be 28 plus 3, which gives you 31. So that's how they done that. So we are almost rounding up. Number 3 example, we have 44. We have 11. We have 2. We have 5. And we have 28 here. So what did they do here? 44 divided by 2. 2 here, that is 22. 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6. And that will be 22 plus 6, which is equal to 28. So we have 5 questions here. I'm going to do 2 and leave you to do the remaining 3. So classwork now. So we have 30 here. We have 18 here. We have 15 here. And 6 we have there. This not given. So what are we going to do? That will be 30 divided by 6, which is equal to 5. 5 times 6, that is 30. And this will be 18 minus 15, which is equal to 3. So 5 plus 3 gives you 8. So our answer there is 8. So let me go to the second one that is mine before I write out this question for you to do. So this is number 11. So now to number 12. We are given this 48. This not given. We have 6 here and we have 3 here, and our answer here is what? They give us 6 there. So what are we going to do? 48. That would be 48 divided by 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3, which is equal to 16. So our answer there is 16. So I'm going to write number 13. It's just 3 questions for you to solve. Number 13, we are given this. We have 54. We are given 27. We have 2. We have 4. No, we are not giving anything here. And we have 40 here. So the first thing you will do is to divide this, add this with this, and minus this. You will be able to get your answer. So now to number, we are not giving this. We are giving this to be 8. We are giving this to be 24. We are giving this to be 16. So what are you going to do? It will be 16 minus, open up a bracket, 24 minus 16. And from there you will get your final answer. Let me even click this. Brainstorm it and get the answer. And now to the last question for today's class. On number 15, we have 144. We have 12 here. We have 1 here. This not given. And we have 13 here. So what are you going to do? It's going to be 13, open a bracket, 144 divided by 12. By so you will get your answer. So we have come to the end of today's quantitative reasoning. Please do well to solve those unsolved questions. Put your answer in the comment section and don't use the calculator. I love you. If you have been watching this, you have found this so interesting, please subscribe and do well to share it with others. Subscription doesn't bite. Bye.